I just 3D printed a pair of running shoes. Yes, you heard me right. 3D printed a pair of running shoes. This cost me about $17 to make, and it took about 3.5 days to print it on my 3D printer over here. Now I know what you're thinking. How on earth could a 3D printed pair of shoes be comfortable? Well, I used a filament called TPU, which is a really soft, flexible plastic, which is what gives this shoe that rubber look and feel. Now let's go ahead and try this shoe on and test it out at the gym.